well, just put the music on and just dance how I feel to the music. But what I kept in mind was the type of people that would be doing the choreography. So you do very big, simple, iconic moves. The biggest challenge would be getting that many people into one place at one time, which actually has never happened until right now.
I'm a fan of social networks, so I saw a lot of them. I saw T-Mobile, I saw one in Belgium, I saw the Michael Jacksons all over the world. I thought that would be a very good thing to do here because it shows Venetian as a fun entertainment, team member activities. So I started asking people around, getting support from a lot of the management, and I just was able to do it. It was great. Everybody was having so much fun doing it.
Absolutely just blew it away.
And everyone involved in it really enjoyed it.
When everyone's doing it together, just the energy just came alive.
I must send this video for my mom. No.